We rolled in late to Mayfield Beach, where the ocean meets the sand. A little campground by the shore, just a kindness and a can, a place to leave a small donation for the freedom of the sea. And though the campground looks so full, the space appeared for you and me. Morning light on Mayfield Beach, blue sky rolling out to sea. Waves are singing soft and slow, just the wind, the tide and me. Simple nights beneath the stars, salt air drifting through the trees. Every mile we travel on starts with moments just like these. We walked along that endless shore, footprints fading in the tide. Water shining crystal blue with the horizon open wide. And later when the sun fell lower, clouds came drifting from the west. Still we swam in Tasman waters with the ocean at its best. Morning light on Mayfield Beach, blue sky rolling out to sea. Waves are singing soft and slow, just the wind, the tide and me. Simple nights beneath the stars, salt air drifting through the trees. Every mile we travel on starts with moments just like these. Next sunrise the road was calling, running shoes and ocean air. 5 more kilometers together, with the whole town gathered there.
Well, good morning. We've camped at Mayfield Bay Conservation Area, and the reason we did was we didn't want to go too far away from a parkrun. Today's Saturday, so the Bardies always try and pick up a parkrun whenever we can. We've driven 42 kilometres to Orford, where our parkrun is held. So for those that don't know, Parkrun is a 5 kilometre timed event that's held in numerous locations around the world. So whenever we can, on a Saturday morning, we find a parkrun.
Down in Orford by the water, where the runners start their day. 5 kilometers walk or wander, everyone can find their way. Then it's back to pack the campsite, one more memory on the road. Tasmania keeps unfolding, every mile another story told.
Morning light on Mayfield Beach, where the sea and sky agree. Life feels simple by the water, just the road and you and me. Pack the van and chase the sunrise, another coastline waits to see. Every journey starts again.